Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Rachel back with a quick at-home 5-minute styling technique. So I am taking my Johnny B's, which is a pomade that I use to break up my mold. And as you can see here, I start curling at the crown of my head. And I am using a 3/8 inch pencil iron by Kiss. You can find it on Amazon. Very, very low, 20 bucks. Go ahead and get you one. And as you can see, I'm just kind of gliding through those curls. There's really no formation. I'm just getting them in there. Don't try and spend a lot of time getting those curls. If you got a good cut, it's all about the comb out, guys. It's all about the comb out if you have a good cut. So I'm just kind of dropping those curls in there, flip, flop, up, down. It took me a lot longer to do this video than it did to curl my hair, guys. So as you can see, I'm taking a little bit of cream shine to break up the curls here. And then I just like to just kind of finger comb. I am not a comb girl. I like to take my fingers. I use a comb to kind of face frame, as you can see here on the video. And then I take a little bit of the wax and I like to define the curls. Just go ahead and pull them apart to give it a little bit more definition here, guys. And you just use those fingers and comb, comb, comb and face frame until you get it to your desired look. And voila, here you go.